All right, what's happening, everybody? This is going to be something I'm going to start implementing in some of the companies that I'm reviewing. This company that I'm getting ready to do an unboxing for has had some controversy with them. Good or bad controversy, I don't know, but I'm going to start making for some companies an unboxing video followed by my review. I'm going to make them in two separate videos. Today, when I'm opening up this package and making this video, is Monday, January 15th, 2019. The second video that I upload right behind this video is going to be my review, however long it is after that, and I will have the date on that as well. Today, I'm talking about a company from Ohio, Huckstle Grooming Company. They reached out to me and they wanted me to do a review of their products. I don't really know a lot about them. All I know is what I've seen or heard on the internet, and we're going to leave it at that. Unboxing. Okay. Empty box. Looks like an oil, looks like a balm. We got a letter, we got a card, another paper of some sort, a business card, and their sticker. That's their logo. Looks like a snake to me. Huckstle Grooming Company, Huckstle.com. That's where you can find these. Pride and Appearance. Website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and their email. Okay. Thank you for your order. Please leave us a review. Your shipping box has arrived. Pride and Appearance. Okay. What's this paper say? Oh, this is just my receipt. Okay. All right. And what is this? Pride and Appearance here. We have something special for you to please read. Okay. Hello, Scott. Thank you so much for taking the time to review our products. We really value your opinion, and we wish you much more success in this new year. In your shipping box, we've included our signature pine and leaf beard oil and citrus and palm multi-balm. Hope you enjoy, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you, Hustle. Okay. Okay. So that's what's in the package. So let's see what they sent me. Pine and leaf beard oil, citrus and palm, POME, palm multi-balm. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say this up front. This is exactly like Beard Brand. Obviously, they have some kind of a financial backing of some sort. You can see that they put a lot of time and quality into this packaging. But I'm going to say this just because I can. This is a ripoff of Beard Brand. That's exactly what this is, 100%. When I receive my packages from Beard Brand, this is exactly what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and distinguish the difference between this, people. Here's Beard Brand. The label goes to the right. Huckstle goes to the left. They both have their little design on the side. This is a Beard Brand ripoff. That's exactly what this is. 100% honest. If anybody gets upset, that's my honest opinion. Does it stand out to me? No. It sounds like it looks just like another company. That's exactly, it looks like somebody else, another company. They ripped them off. It's exactly what this looks like to me. They sealed these very well, actually. So there's no way that they could have leaked out. I can tell you that. Having trouble getting that off. Give me a minute. Pine and Leaf Beard Oil. Ultra Premium 1 ounce. Pine needles over fallen leaves and rich black soil. Contains jojoba, grapeseed, sweet almond, apricot, castor, rosehip, baobab, argan, avocado, fragrance, and vegetable glycerin. Nice dropper, just like the Beard brand one. Okay, right out of the bottle, it smells like pine and dirt, which is exactly what I expect it to be. Like you're outside. That's different. Citrus and palm, multi-balm, 3.4 ounces. So you can travel with these. The blend is of fresh, crisp palms and tart citrus juices. Ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, moringa oil, rose hip seed oil, lanolin, beeswax, and fragrance. This smells like a Yankee Candle. That's what this smells like. It smells like a spring Yankee Candle, like a citrus and flower. That's what I'm smelling from this. Okay, these are my first impressions of these products, you know, and some people may take this the wrong way, but I'm just being 100% honest, just from what I'm looking at here. I mean, come on. You have almost the exact same look here. I mean, if you guys can't see that, I mean, I don't know what you're seeing. I mean, this is exactly the exact same thing. I mean, I'm not bashing them, but I'm thinking that they could have done something a lot better than take their ideas from another company. I mean, I'm going to have a full review of these products in the upcoming weeks. It might be a month from now. I'm not sure. But I'm going to post this video, and then I'm going to upload immediately, like seconds after this video is done, I'm going to upload the review for my second impression, or my actual review of this product. So my first impressions is I'm not impressed, because I've already opened up a company's boxes just like this. They just had their name on it. And I think this company could have spent their money and done something a lot more original than rip off Beard brand. That's just my honest opinion. My review may be completely different. So as soon as you finish watching this video, click on the review of this company and let me know what you think. Later, guys.